If you're a man over 50, you might have noticed some changes. Maybe your mornings don't feel the same, or intimacy doesn't come as naturally as it used to. You're not alone. I've seen this in hundreds of my patients, and after nearly 2 decades of walking with men through the ups and downs of aging, I've found that sometimes the problem isn't always big. Sometimes it comes down to 3 simple vitamins your body is begging for. Today I'm going to tell you exactly what those 3 vitamins are, how they affect your erections, your energy, and even your self-confidence. Stick with me, because number 2 on this list, that one is often completely overlooked, and it changes everything. Let's get into it. Erections aren't just about performance. They're a sign of your vascular health, your hormone balance, even your nervous system. When things slow down, it's usually not sudden. It's quiet, gradual. That's why so many men don't talk about it until years later. I had a patient, let's call him Richard. He's 62, semi-retired, used to be full of life, full of fire. When he walked into my office, he looked tired. Not just physically, but emotionally too. He said, "Doc, I just don't feel like a man anymore." It wasn't just about sex. It was the loss of that inner drive. And what we found after a few blood tests and some conversations was that he had deficiencies in, believe it or not, basic vitamins. That's what shocked him most, because these vitamins, you don't hear about them on TV commercials or flashy ads, but they run the show behind the scenes. Let's start with number 1. Vitamin D isn't really a vitamin. It acts more like a hormone in your body. And men with low levels of it, they almost always experience some level of erectile trouble. Here's why. Vitamin D supports your testosterone production. And testosterone, well, that's your fuel. It's what gives you morning erections, desire, energy. But more importantly, vitamin D also helps your blood vessels stay relaxed and open. That's crucial because an erection is literally about blood flow. Now here's the dip. Most men over 50, they're deficient. Why? We're indoors more. Our skin isn't absorbing as much sunlight. And as we age, our body becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into usable vitamin D. I remember asking Richard to get his vitamin D levels checked. They came back shockingly low, less than half the recommended range. We started him on a simple regimen: daily sunlight exposure, 20 minutes, and 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 per day with a meal that contains fat for better absorption. 3 months later, he came back with a smile. He said, "Doc, I'm waking up early again. And not just early, I'm waking up ready." Now don't get me wrong, vitamin D isn't a magic pill, but it laid the foundation for everything else to work better. Now here's number 2, and I said earlier, this one's overlooked. Vitamin B12. This vitamin doesn't get the spotlight, but I've seen men transform after getting their B12 levels back on track. Here's the science. B12 supports the health of your nerves and red blood cells. Without it, signals between your brain and your body start to get fuzzy. That includes the signals that trigger an erection. Many older men, especially those on certain medications like metformin for diabetes or acid blockers for heartburn, are unknowingly deficient in B12. Let me tell you about someone I treated. His name was Anthony, 67, diabetic, and he'd been on metformin for years. He told me things had been dead down there for over a year. He figured it was just aging. We ran a B12 panel. His levels were critically low. We started him on weekly B12 injections for a month, then shifted to a high-quality sublingual supplement. Within weeks, not only did his energy pick up, but he started to notice a change. He told me one day, "Doc, I had a moment with my wife that we haven't had in a long time." He looked emotional, and honestly, so did I. The nerves, the energy, the blood, it was all connected, and B12 was the missing link. Now let's get to number 3, vitamin E. This one's powerful, especially for circulation. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant. That means it helps your blood vessels stay healthy, elastic, and clean. And when it comes to erections, that's exactly what you want. Let me break it down. An erection depends on blood rushing into the penis and staying there. If your vessels are clogged, stiff, or inflamed, that won't happen. Vitamin E helps prevent that. It also helps with nitric oxide production, the chemical that helps you get and maintain an erection naturally. Now here's the catch. Too much vitamin E can be harmful. You don't want to go beyond 400 IU daily unless a doctor tells you to. I often recommend men get vitamin E from foods first, like sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, and avocado. If you're supplementing, make sure it's natural vitamin E. Look for D-alpha tocopherol, not D-L-alpha tocopherol. And remember, it's not just about popping pills. It's about creating the environment your body needs to do what it used to do naturally. So let's recap briefly. Vitamin D equals hormone balance plus blood vessel health. Vitamin B12 equals nerve signal restoration plus energy. Vitamin E equals antioxidant plus improved blood flow. When these three are optimized, I've seen men go from frustrated and silent to hopeful and reconnected. But here's the part most people miss. No vitamin works in isolation. You've got to support your body with movement, hydration, good sleep, and yes, stress reduction. Stress kills desire. It jacks up your cortisol, which lowers testosterone. That's why sometimes the most important vitamin is just peace. I often tell my patients, don't look for quick fixes. Build your foundation. If you want a practical start, here's what I recommend. Morning, 20 minutes of sunlight, shirt off if possible, glass of water with lemon. Take vitamin D with breakfast. Afternoon, have a meal rich in B12, like eggs, fish, or lean meat. Light movement, 15-minute walk. Evening, magnesium before bed to support blood vessels. 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. Over time, stack these habits. And if you're supplementing, speak to a doctor. Don't self-medicate. Look, I've sat across from men who felt defeated. I've seen the toll this takes, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. It affects how you see yourself, how you show up in your relationship, how you walk into a room. But here's what I always say, aging isn't the end, it's a new chapter. And you can write it with strength, vitality, and confidence if you give your body the tools it needs. You deserve to feel alive. You deserve connection. You deserve health. So take that first step. Start with these 3 vitamins. Give your body a chance to thrive again. If this helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend, because no man should walk this road alone.